All right, for number 9, rationalize the denominator when necessary, simplify. Now, we don't want to rationalize the denominator unless we need to. And so what we always want to do first is simplify where we can. Now, square root of 4 and square root of 25 are already perfect squares. So square root of 4 is just 2 over 2 times 5. And then you're done. You can just multiply the 2 times 5 and you're done. Same thing with number 10, 20 over 5. I can actually divide that out, and that simplifies to 20 divided by 5 is 4 is just 3 square root 4. And look at that, square root of 4 is just 2, and we're done. Now, for 11, we still want to simplify 15 over 6, see, to make it easy for ourselves. But here, they have a common factor 3, so I can kind of like divide 15 by 3 and 6 by 3. When I do that, I get square root of 5 over 3 square root 2. So 15 over 6 simplifies to 5 over 2. And now I need to rationalize the denominator. And I do that by multiplying by root 2 over root 2. When I do that, that becomes in the numerator, root 2 times root 5 is just square root 10 over 3. And that's like square root of 4. But of course, the square root of 4 is like 3 times 2. And then that's about as you can then figure out the answer from there. Same thing with number 3, except we can't simplify any further. So now I'm just multiplying by root 3 over root 3. When I get that, I get 3 root 3 over. Now this is 2 times the square root of 9, but of course we don't need to write square root of 9, so that's going to be 2 times 3. Now here you got to be careful because 3 root 3 over 6. At the end, I still need to check and make sure I can't simplify outside. And 3 over 6 does simplify. And 3 over 6, of course, you can then simplify down and then find the answer there.